Today, the Church remembers Saint Ignatius of Antioch. He was the second bishop of Antioch after Saint Peter. He was sentenced to death and was sent to Rome. On his way to Rome, he wrote 7 magnificent letters, which we still have today, concerning the person of Christ, his love for Christ, his desire for martyrdom, and on the constitution of the Church. His sentiments before approaching martyrdom are summed in his word in the communion antiphon: I am the wheat of Christ, ground by the teeth of beasts to become pure bread.